In Pixelmator Pro, to customize the look of a shape, you use layer styles. Layer styles are displayed in the Tool Options pane when editing shapes, but the same settings are also available in the Style tool. By default, the fill and stroke layer styles are applied to shapes, but if you click the Add Style button, you'll also be able to apply other styles. There are 4 layer styles in total. Fill, which lets you fill layers with colors, gradients, and patterns. Stroke, which lets you add solid color, gradient, and pattern outlines around layers. Inner shadow, which lets you add a shadow to the inner edges of a layer, giving it a recessed appearance. And shadow, which lets you add a drop shadow to a layer. In the stroke option settings, you can choose from a number of stroke style presets. Here you can also create your own layer style presets and create preset collections by clicking the More menu right next to the Style Presets pop-up menu.